think Murthy ji and Rajesh ji has given. So they are the government of Maharashtra's biggest landlord. So with Mahapreet, we have bigger land banks available by from SRA and multiple society cluster development also is bringing a lot of development in Mumbai. So basically, I'll tell about. So I've been associated with IGBC from 2009 when we started our first project, IGBC Platinum rated in affordable housing. So we were selling houses of 12 lakh rupees and we got platinum rating for that. And so it was a greenfield project, 10-acre township, and we implemented all the measures of that time. And IGBC was newly formed, GBC and IGBC, and all the guidelines and everything was very new. But we were able to implement all the measures of platinum rate to achieve the platinum rating, and we tried and tested multiple material because of the affordability. We cannot, we have to keep the cost of the raw material also low. So one thing is for sure, sustainability does not cost you a lot. If the design it is incorporated within the design itself, at the design stage only, we can implement sustainability. That is a very clear thing we have implemented and we have delivered. So for a greenfield, it is much more easier with the orientation of the building. You can do passive design, you can do multiple things in a greenfield project. When you come to redevelopment of societies, the plot sizes are small, the shapes are constrained. There are multiple challenges within the redevelopment space as compared to a greenfield. You guys have attended a lot of sessions and you are aware about how the green building and all works. So in the redevelopment of societies, we have an opportunity where so many societies, as Rajesh has mentioned, 35,000 societies are poised to go for redevelopment. So the societies are going to live, the new buildings are going to stay for 70, 80 years. So as a professional, we have a duty to ensure that everything is designed for next 70, 80 years, and the total cost of ownership of those buildings should be much less, and the footprint, carbon footprint of the societies should be much less if the design it is designed in a better way. I'll give you an example of a society we recently developed. It's a small plot of 1,000 square meters, 22-story building. We were discussing with Rakesh ji and CK and how to kind of incorporate heating system. Solar water heater was not possible. We were planning to get a heat pump kind of a thing. But the problem lies with the kind of people. The problem lies with us, the members. We do not know how to live as a community, because let's say as a developer, I am interested in providing a heat pump, and somebody will get a hot water, somebody will not get a hot water because of the regular consumption within the consumers. So all those things, issues come, and irrespective we have an intent, we are not able to, we kind of ditch the idea because of the backlash from the members. However, we can implement various new things. One thing we have implemented there, we have implemented a smart device within all the apartments, 66 apartments, where you can measure that if my energy bill is, I am a 3 BHK owner, he is a 3 BHK, all of us have a similar size of flat, the energy consumption is comparable. So if I am getting a bill of 6,000, he is getting a bill of 4,000 rupees, then I will ensure that how can I reduce my bill of 6,000. So how to change the habit? We have to work towards how to ensure we kind of change the habit of consumption of energy, water and waste of the people. That is the important thing. So with this hardware instrument, we have provided an app where there is a comparative statement where people can see on a monthly basis the energy consumption between the residents, so that the habit change. The way Zepto and Instamart and Blinkit has changed habits of our parents, not us. So that's how we can change with the data point, change the habit of the residents. Apart from that, with the net zero, with the grid connected grid metering, we can definitely provide, we are providing solar PV panels which are connected to grid. So overall cost, common area energy meter cost reduces a lot. So these are the basic things which anybody and everybody can do in the redevelopment. We are pitching in bigger societies where the plot size is more than 4,000 and 5,000 square meter. We are in recently one of the societies we have pitched that we will make a net zero. We have given a commitment, if you give us a project, we will make it a net zero building, the future building. So people are more aware about the sustainable measures, and they are giving priority to developers also who are committed towards green. So I think overall system is evolving, people are more evolved, and slowly awareness is spreading as well with the climate change, with the current AQI of Mumbai, which was never the case. People are now aware that it is our own responsibility to ensure that we move towards sustainable development. And as a real estate developer and the overall fraternity, the construction landscape, we have a responsibility of designing right buildings, right infra projects, and ensuring we execute it to that intent, so that we can have a better future for ourselves, for our next generations to come. So I think there's a lot of scope with redevelopment of the societies where we can improve with a better design and better implementation, and it is not costly. It is just the intent. You should have intent and multiple things can happen. For example, right now in Mumbai,